Hey guys, welcome to Tech channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to clear all history in YouTube. So go to YouTube first. Now click on bottom right corner your profile icon. Now click top right corner the settings icon. Now scroll down and you will find here manage all data, this one. Click on this. Now choose the right email address which is associated with this YouTube account, so this one. Now you can see here all of the history. You can delete it one by one by clicking on cross. Just keep clicking on cross, or if you want to delete altogether, you can see here on very 19 December. If you click on cross, that's mean 19 December's all history will be deleted. Okay, so you can see here delete all time, your all history will be deleted. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.